A tinder boat there, another one coming. We came down the tinder pier. From out here it looks green instead of blue. Anyway, we're gonna walk around the harbor to that lighthouse, Faro. That looks like a barber pole, red and white stripes. See it there? So we're gonna go around the harbor, and from there we're gonna go into town. So we can find Cabo Wabo, and after a few minutes or hours or whatever in Cabo Wabo, we're gonna look for a church. Tour opportunities here, and even nut and chili opportunities. And those are limes. Grasshoppers? Wait a minute. Grasshoppers? Length of the harbor. Now we're going to walk that way. Notice there's the lighthouse. But when you come here, don't forget to go in the surfboards. Don't forget to go in the surfboards. Surf's up. Surf's up. Surf's up. All right. You gotta do the surfboards. Look, Janet. Whoosh. We're about halfway around. I just thought you might want to get a good look at the harbor. Way over there is a mall, a real shopping mall. And in the mall, it's got a supermarket, a nice, big, clean one. So I don't know if you're looking for anything. I'm not. But you should know that it's there. We walked down one side and then two sides. Here's Captain Tony's. There's the Marlin statue. And there's the red and white lighthouse. So it's in the middle of the third side of the harbor. Of course, the harbor has more than 4 sides. Look at it on a map. If you have time, let these fish eat the dirt off your feet. Like that. Way around. There's Captain Tony's. There's the Marlin statue. There's El Faro. Here's a Cabo sign you could pose next to. Get in line. We're going to go straight through there, though. Straight through there. Cabo. Tequila shot. Free tequila tasting. So here's the story of how we make tequila. First, we cut that down to the chunky chunk, and we smash it. Notice it says smashing. And then we distill it, heat it up, distill it, and then the donkey delivers it. And there is some other things. Tequila. The harbor is that way. We're gonna go down that street right there. I just wanted you to know sanitarios, restrooms, right in that corner. They might charge you 50 cents or $1 to use them. See the sign? It's right through there. So if you need it. We are gonna head off this direction though. Down that street to the left of Diamonds International. Not the right, to the left. Through there, the bathrooms are through there. Come out here, there's a crosswalk here. You know, be careful. But I think we can go safely. That's the street we want to go down though. Right there. Lots of shopping over here though. Bars, restaurants. Cap. There's the harbor. You can see the boats in it. The bathroom was right there in that plaza, and we crossed this to this side street. There are no street names here, but I'll add it down at the bottom. There is that though. And that. So there are plenty of shopping opportunities along here, along this little road. I don't know if you should worry about walking along it. If I'm not mistaken, that's the guitar player from the ship. But anyway, ship's band. It was a couple blocks up. Those buildings are on the harbor, right? The bathroom is straight ahead. We walk down here, and what do we have here? Cabo Wabo. Now, they sold Cabo Wabo tequila, and then him and Guy Fieri got together and got Santo, started another brand, right? The Czech people, before they go in,